It is because of Title IV, specifically the incentives created by the presidency in 1997 under 4E and 4D, and it's really cold talk. Think about what an incentive is and how it works in a capitalist-based society. Now think about what a monopoly is and how negatively it affects capitalism. Did we give AT&T incentives when they have a monopoly? No. We ended their monopoly for the benefit of the American people. But when it comes to the lower court monopoly that Jeff Sessions has touched on in his recent speeches, we are somehow powerless, and the lower courts are allowed to take every penny we have and then have the audacity to call us leeches when we are ready to retire, all while using that same money to extort and tear apart American families. It does not stop at our borders, however. Thanks to the Association of Family and Conciliation Courts, the AFCC, the success of the family law institution in our lower court system has spread, destroying societies throughout the world. You may remember a failed electronics corporation called Circuit City. They used incentives to force their sales associates to compete against each other. A similar company company called Best Buy did not use incentives. Instead, they encouraged their associates to work together as a team. That company is thriving, even with Walmart as a competitor. Speaking of Walmart, if you are one of these people concerned with their $482.1 billion a year in sales, that is estimated to be only half of what the business of family law extorts from Americans each year. You see, incentives within a monopoly allows the monopoly to work as a team to generate as much revenue from the incentives as they want. There is no competition, no check, no balance, no regulation, no accountability, not even management. What we have are county kingdoms ruled by a dictatorship.
That's right.
Who control local law enforcement. So it goes, and it goes, unregulated until there is a byproduct. The people here you were listening to today. It has been a sick, society-destroying social experiment, and now 21 years later, 24 million children are growing up without one or both of their parents. Right now, 1 in 100 Americans are incarcerated, 3/4 of them in local jails, most of them for debt owed to the lower courts. The same lower courts who are incentivized by your Social Security to bring back debtors' prisons, which were abolished over 200 years ago. A system also that is now one of the leading causes of suicide, and the main cause of suicide among children. I would like you all to pay very close attention to what I'm going to say next. If you make something profitable that was not profitable before, you may succeed, but with some horrible side effects. They made finding children foster homes profitable, which made a market to create new foster children. That is Title 4E. They made collecting court extortion like child support profitable, and forced judges to create more non-custodial parents that should be helping to raise their children instead of paying child support.
Which is all unconstitutional!
Illegal, too.
So instead of creating equal families after divorce, judges are forced to create non-custodial parents to pay child support, which they get $1.65 per every dollar paid from your Social Security. That's why we don't have any left.
Mock trials, kangaroo court.
Through what family law calls a practice, they break constitutional law every 8 seconds. Every 8 seconds, a family court judge breaks the law. How did we get to such a low level with these lower courts?
An attorney breaks the law too.
All I do every day is try to answer that question. We must end the family law institution as it exists immediately.
Children are not for sale.
And make sure
Only yours.
nothing like this can happen in the future. Thank you.
For sale.
Stiletto!
I can read. Anybody else? Like we're down here. son says he is not for sale. You do not have jurisdiction over our children.
That's right.
No.
Yay. I clap, but I have gloves on.
You don't have to push the button or anything.
Really?
You have that one. Oh, you don't. Say whatever you want. Yep.
So we're here in front of the family court in New Haven, Connecticut. We were told that we can't talk to the security guards because we can't bring a camera in and they can't answer any questions.
That's not true. You are allowed to bring a camera into court. You are allowed to.
They don't even know the law.
Constitutional violation. They do not want you in the family court, which is not a family court. They don't want you in there because
It's an illegal court, and it's actually a real estate court.
they don't want you to know the truth. That's why we're standing here giving you the truth, and we will continue to give you the truth. We will expose each and every judge and bogus attorney.
This is a nationwide problem, not just the state of Connecticut, not just New England, the whole 50 states.
And the world.
Global.
It's global.
Global problem,
Thanks to
hence
the
global
AFCC.
citizens arrest, which will continue past today. Today was just the appetizer. Today is just the appetizer, guys. We are going to continue to go
That's
forward
right.
with this. People are now going to do this every third of the month. That they're starting it in Australia. They have been protesting in different countries as well, and they're protesting in different states like we are, freezing out here right now to give you the
You are
importance, to give you, to
shivering.
expose what we're dealing with worldwide. It's a worldwide
shivering.
epidemic, and children
This
are
is how
not
determined.
for sale. Children are not
We're
for
gonna start moving.
sale.
Children are not for
Family
sale.
court is a lying institution that is buying and selling children, and they're using DSS, Child Predator Services, to do their bidding.
They're abusing our children. Okay, you guys want to go someplace warm? Like what? We just